Hello guys, welcome back to Daily Entertainment Bars right here on Odatejish TV. Please, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button. And also don't forget to also drop your comment in the comment section below. Give this video a thumbs up and also share this video with your friends and loved ones.
Amazing. That amazing. The only thing I've stopped is talking about celebrities whenever they go wrong. And by this time, politics here, Koyankofos, Jimmy or social media, by this time, the phone is me, I can imagine about it.
Jimmy says,
Or say, be contact, a bisu, yes, a bisu, a bisu, a bisu, a bisu, say. But so for the past 2 years, I've been on your shows, baby. And you know what I do. Like by this time, I send the page on social media. So I think that is the aspect people are missing. But aside that, and one more thing, I don't go crazy. Like I'll wear some sexy things and twerk. If you see me dancing, I'm dancing in something that I'm all covered. And I know dancing is exercise. That one day you can't tell me say because she dance, she's not good for my brand again. Because a lot of people that they think they are good for their brands, they are even half naked, totally naked, but they are still close to them. Something I'm making as it is. You see, I'm all covered when you come on my page. It's either I wear knicker or trouser and top, all covered to dance and have fun on my page. I don't talk about people. So I think that's the aspect, and being loud is what people are missing. Of late, who in red carpet, I'm all covered. I don't go to red carpet to break internet again. So nowadays, they don't even talk about my walls again. I've been winning a lot of awards of late. Yes. But you don't hear it. But if I should have gone on a red carpet with awards with a crazy dress, like you hear about poloo, you see, that's why I say Ghanaians are hypocrites. Because I'm doing something, and when I break the internet, it brings me more contracts. Because some of the businesses need loudness. Those days when I am talking about cream, because I have a nice skin and the product I use is good for me. Before I talk about any product that is cream, body cream, I have to show skin. I have to show skin for them to know how my skin and the cream.
I was so sure skin first. And son, I was starting using cream. It's improvement to be more.
Okay. And I was doing that, they said they don't understand it. Now, because I stopped showing my skin, like I don't even go totally naked. When I'm doing my videos, you see that I'm in hot skirts and a top that it can show my skin and my sides more. And people complaining. Now you don't hear anything about poloo again because she's not crazy on social media. And that is killing my market. And no one is feeding me as well. Because you people were complaining, stop what you're doing, stop what you're doing. See, you're commenting, no one is there to give me food to eat. If you go to someone to ask for money, they will insult you. They will insult you. You think, say, she is exposing herself for nothing. And then I was loud and I was getting paid. Now they've all seen that I'm down, I'm slow. So no one would want to talk because say a penny didn't just say a brave one man.
As someone work as a métier, I say, yeah. Naked na ya woko koko like who expose was skin now so for cream, you know. Ne amount.
Who can naked one is like no mateja. He's semi-naked.
Semi okay, yes. And I'm made or half naked now woko. A break you brand no.
No Major, breaking a lot of contracts from me.
Auntie, I don't know news.
Yes. On social media, because market people need people who are loud and have the view. Have the view. When you go on my page, you see that most of my videos and things that are loud has the view. The things that Oprah means to gospel. Now me found to one view.
Now your friend said, we are sure say now you're half naked in a view now set working.
Oh. Met me my twerk baby or jeans money nyama cover me when no view. It's the skin they want to see. It's the skin they want to see. And when they see the skin, it attracts them and they go to buy the product we are talking about. Me tell me I make say so almost say to aki obi nyom so a. Me sorry because me page me brands na me nya me page ni. Me sorry keke. Artists whoever I'm twerking for has given me something to do that to promote their song. And that was what I was doing in those days 2 years ago. And I'm meeting BPA Didi. And when I mean yes, to me car and I'm driving for 2 years. I said me car no nyame next year 7 January na 2 years. I should tell them that I bought it with my own hard-earned money.
And for say half the
I tell you on I said to me who our girlfriend who was there my girlfriend to be connected you now. So who come picture who slit and cover
okay.
Who marriage people no mama and thousands of people are at the beach watching your thing that you say is naked for you, is secret for you in your bedroom. Who come poor yeah, just slit and cover.
Okay.
Yeah, just draws ni brazier.
Okay.
So the same thing you see on my page.
Okay.
And I'm a model. As a model, no. So me model, I can model anything providing say me family nufu and I say be your madeja and tour.
Okay.
Now you me slay. Enemy ye full moon chain mu.
O slay.
Who me slay? Say be your
slay and I slay.
The slay.
O slay.
Yeah.
What tie?
Yeah, tie.
Okay. What's that?
And now it almost an hour who nufu madeja and chesa me that deja. Skin now. Skin so you to move skin anytime.
Now, face difficulties the same for DM poloo minyawa me no be kwa out the sun.
Oh, not those difficulties is you cry there. Me ya come no be kwa out in there. Me stars ni me pay from the baby. Me said me mama jakapia ka onya sa DMs no because she's also beautiful. My problem is I'm not saying when you go naked before someone will find you attractive, but it sells for my job I'm doing on social media.
Okay.
Aside social media adverts I do, I don't have anything again because I don't get a chance to get movies to shoot.
Okay.
Who shoot movies? How many movies have you seen me shooting aside a Fiera? I don't do any movies again. My last movie I did was Awebas with Kofas. That was last year. Movie
okay.
In
conform for one answer.
Yeah, they won't call me because the main stars on it are not cool with me.
Why?
Yes, they are not cool because I'm not good for their brand. But I see them moving with some people who does more than what I do on social media. So it's hypocrisy. So who say me home? So who says Obia Samba me kebi? It's me good for your brother. I know someone who does more than that, calling people bitch and pig on social media, who does more than what I do, who is even fully naked on social media, but they are still close to that person. Oh, I'm not here for that.
Okay.
I'm not here for that. So this should tell you, sir, it's not that I'm not good for their brand. Maybe they see something special about me.
It will feel so much time now.
Oh, your time. That is it. Your time. Your time, because if I see something I do that someone else is doing, which is what the person is even doing, is worse than what I do. Cardi B, bro, for now, don't so buy now. I'll try me mojem. It's a massive Cardi B. Since so buy now, mommy catch here. For now, every
Cardi B, bro, for now.
And the bro, for now, every mojem. It's a mix it to make a tree now. Turn it
from
totally automatically. Not turn it. I say my shadow and yes.
Okay.
Ghana food names me table for. As I say me to make
a bro for pa. Or just want to bro. What a bro for Jaisa. Me say people who want to bro for more shedder. Or shedder no keke kasa ansem ni your year you know shedder ni na all the previews. Me that's I want to bro for what a bro for not na Cardi B offer then our own country.
Oh you can bro for.
Yeah. What's a pa but what shedder? You know so shedder. It will be better it can be poloo and banny at the minimum so said that. But all the same, your friend is saying, what you are we here, you mean, and I was see Akuapem. It is here, we are one day.
Because it's here, Akuapem, dear. Me.
Because it's here also sent idea, one person of the car.
Well, program will say, I'm not yet.
But a nice one.
Nice.
Open this hour.
No, so
your business.
Naturally, that is me. Because anyone who meets me in person says about you have two faces.
Yeah.
You are even more beautiful than what we see on social media. Even the last time your friend, the woman who came from UK at your show, she even took pictures with me and told me her sister is also fan of me, so she wants to do videos with me.
Okay.
She saw me and was like, "You're so sweet in person."
Okay.
Heavenly Father saw me and was surprised.
Okay.
He said, "You're beautiful. You're so calm." He said, "This is the first time he's seen him. You saw him talking to me."
Yeah.
And he was so surprised. He told me that I should keep on doing what I'm doing. Because they see me in person, they see that I'm totally different from what they see on social media.
Okay.
But they don't know that it's show business.
Okay.
If you don't do that, no one comes to give you food.
Okay.
I don't have business doing.
Makadibi in Mrafo.
Okay, mommy, can make you happen.